What's up, you degenerate? Scott Barnes here with Mr. Handpay up on deck. Doing some high limit blackjack. Let's hop into it, you guys. You know the drill. Go over to Mr. Handpay's channel, give him a like, subscribe. Let's have some fun. Yeah, we're going to be having a short session here. Let's go.
Everyone, we're here in Las Vegas, Green Valley Ranch, Station Casino, playing blackjack, $100 minimum.
Brendan O'Brien played at the
maximum.
Green Valley Ranch
Two hands.
a few weeks ago
We're just
when I
going
posted
to
it.
start out 200 a hand, two hands, see what happens. I have $10,000 in front of me.
All right, $10,000 buy-in.
Yeah.
Staying on those, dealer has a 5.
No.
Spacer, another spacer.
Big one.
And the
Ah.
17.
I hate that first hand.
All right, one hand here, 600. $19 against the dealer's 20. I'll take it. 18. All right, single hand, $900. All right, I would sometimes double this. I'm not going to do it today because I want to hit twice. No, it's okay. 19, that's a push.
That's the big win right there.
1,100. Blackjack. For you.
All right, $1,500.
It's all right,
Sorry.
$600 here.
All right, $1,100.
20. All right. 7 showing. There's 18.
I would have liked to see him bet his last amount, but what are you going
900
to do?
again.
Let's go. Scary, man.
$17 to an 18. We're going to do 2 hands, $700 a hand. All right, the dealer would have had a blackjack.
Come on, paint it.
Six, 7. 15. I meant to stay. Didn't matter. It's all right. 1-1, we lost one. Call the push. One hand who would have had a blackjack that time.
Let's see if he hits on that.
Staying up
Okay.
both.
Usually he... No, it's on the soft 18. He'll hit
All
it.
right. 800 a hand here. Two.
No way. A lot of 10s and 9s right there.
Something small. Oh, that's an 8. So you're going to stay on that. And that. Don't have an ace. Or another 8.
Oh, wow. If he would have... Wow.
All right, we're back. I just had a sign for something. $600 on a single hand.
Let's see if he can come back.
14. We're going to stay. Busted.
All right. No, I'll go.
We do $1,600.
12 against 2.
12 against the 2. What do you think about that?
I want to hit it.
Yeah, you
Maybe
like
not.
it.
There's
I'm
not a
just
lot
gonna
of face
take one
cards.
Card. I'm going to throw another 500 out as a double.
I like it.
20.
I like it. Uh-oh.
Dealer would have had 19. Instead 21. Only reason I did
Lose,
that is I knew I
lose.
was only going to.
You don't know when to quit, do you, Griswold? Here's an idea. Why don't you give me half the money you were going to bet? Then we'll go out back, I'll kick you in the nuts, and we'll call it a day.
Staying on both of these.
18 bust.
All right, we're going to change it up here. We're going to go 1,600 on two hands. Not ideal.
17.
And 8 or smaller, please. Not bad.
That hurts. That hurts.
New shoe. Sit tight. We'll be right back.
It's
All
like
right,
a
we're back.
6'6" shoe.
See if we can do something here. We're going to start out with just $1,000. 2 purple.
I didn't ask to see the card. 13.
Staying on that. $1,500. We're gonna try it.
Come on. Huge.
Ah,
No way.
it was the right
That
move.
sucks.
Too.
No, it was,
600 here.
Man, he can't catch a break.
$20. $12. All
All
right.
right.
Be a 10.
Tens, tens, tens.
All right.
Ooh.
$4,800 we're taking.
Ooh, it was an $8,000 swing.
Man.
Man, desperately needed. Desperately needed.
Payback time.
Can't, dude. You can't.
One hand here.
Picture.
You get it. $1,200 there. $18, $16, $18.
18.
All right, 1,800 here. I knew it. Double.
Ugh. Big one.
Go. Guys, we're going to call that a session. Thank you so much for
What? What? No way. No. Guys, no way. Shortest round I've ever seen of Mr. Hampay getting taken out. Well, hey, it just shows you. Sometimes we have a brutal session, and it's just how it goes. 10 minutes, 10K. All right, you guys. Love you. Go over to Mr. Hampay's channel. Give him a like, subscribe. See you on the flip side. See ya.